Honey, Scotty?
No, thank you.
Someone else's cart and say, ooh, god damn, look what they eat.
No, thank you. Are you going to get out now?
Do this. Get your
Alright,
cart
are you ready to
full.
get out?
Full cart.
Alright, come on. Alright, come on. Okay, Olivia, say hi. Are you ready to get out now? Alright, come on. Alright, here. Now I know where all the socks go when we do laundry. Are you ready? Okay, come on.
I think she just means she's ready for more clothes. Oh, no?
Come on.
Yeah. She said she was going to call whenever she was on her way home.
111 packs of Frank.